In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply Kanban statuses in ClickUp, Kanban Workflow 2026. First, open your browser and go to clickup.com. Sign in using your preferred method, email and password or a connected account like a workplace single sign-on. Choose whatever you normally use. If your workspace has extra security, complete any verification prompts, so you land in your account without issues. Once you're in, you'll arrive on your ClickUp home. This is your hub for tasks, reminders, and recent activity. Take a moment to let the page fully load so all workspace elements are available. On the left-hand side, you'll see your main navigation panel. This is where you'll find spaces, along with other areas like chat or docs, depending on your setup. We'll focus on spaces, because statuses are typically managed at the space level, so they apply consistently to everything inside. Select the space you want to configure. If you manage multiple teams or projects, pick the one where you want a Kanban workflow. Hover your mouse over the space name to reveal additional options. You'll see a 3 dots icon appear. This is the menu for administrative settings and customization. Click that icon to open the space menu. From the menu, choose Task Statuses. This takes you to the status editor, where you control how work moves from start to finish. Here, you can apply a template, rather than building from scratch. Open the status template options and select Kanban. This loads a standard Kanban flow with clearly defined stages. You'll typically see a simple progression that starts with work not yet started, moves through active work, and ends in a closed or completed state. Before saving, review the statuses and tailor them to your team's language. You can rename stages, change colors for quick visual scanning, and reorder them to match your process. Keep things focused. Kanban works best with a small number of clear stages, so cards move frequently and bottlenecks are easy to spot. Make sure there's at least one final closed state, so completed tasks exit the active workflow. If you're replacing existing statuses, pay attention to any prompts asking how to map old statuses to the new ones. This ensures current tasks end up in the right columns. When you're happy with the setup, apply and save your changes. This sets the Kanban statuses for the space, and everything within it will follow this workflow unless a folder or list overrides it. That's it. Your space now uses a clean Kanban flow, making it easier to visualize progress, limit work in progress, and keep tasks moving steadily toward done.